How to download offline maps on Google Maps. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download offline maps on Google Maps so you can navigate without an internet connection. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Here appears the main page of the Google Maps, and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear on the screen. From the menu, select Offline Maps, then tap Select Your Own Map to choose the area you want to download. Here appears the map. This is the location map that you want to download. Adjust the area by zooming in or out, then tap Download, and wait for the process to complete. Once downloaded, you can access the map offline anytime, and Google Maps will work without an internet connection in that area. If you ever need to remove an offline map, simply tap on it and select Delete. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Google Maps tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.